Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove app access and manage permissions for X, formerly Twitter, on your device. If you're looking to control what the app can access, like your photos, microphone, or notifications, this is the video for you. Managing app permissions is important to ensure your privacy and reduce unnecessary notifications or interruptions. To remove app access on X, you won't need to open the app itself. Instead, open the settings on your mobile device and scroll down to select Apps or App Management, depending on your phone. Locate X from the list of installed apps and tap on it. Once you're inside the app settings, you can manage permissions by tapping on Permissions to view what X can access, such as your contacts, microphone, photos, or videos. For example, if you want to revoke access to your photos and videos, select that option and tap Don't Allow. Now, X won't have permission to access your media files. Additionally, you can control notifications by going to the Notifications section, where you can toggle off specific types of notifications, like live spaces or news updates, or turn off all notifications from X entirely if you prefer. Adjusting these settings will help you minimize distractions while still allowing you to use the app on your terms. Remember, keeping control over your app permissions can enhance your security and give you peace of mind while using your device. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more quick tutorials like this one. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or need help with other apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.